So in this video, now we're going to learn that how to decode that QR code. In my last video, we learned that how to create that QR code, and now we'll try to understand that how to decode and read that whatever values are stored in that QR code. So now we need to import that library that called decoder. So I need to import now from uh, import decoder. So now I'm importing decoder. Now again we need to import one more library. That image we need to now read. We need to import PIL. Okay, import image. Okay, these two library we need. If you are once you will try to run this one. So now if I run this, for me it's working fine. If you are getting any issue, you can go to terminal and then do that pip install. Pip install whatever library name you don't have in your system for this environment. You can put like this and then you can run it. Then it will install for you and then you will not get any error. So now we move to now code our. So then we need to open that image. So I define variable image. What we need to do, we need to image dot open. Okay. And now to open that, we need to pass that here length. Sorry, path. So this is that QR code. So now I will go ahead and copy this and then I will put that manually QR code. Okay. After this, we need to add that QR code. QR code dot png. Okay. So now I specify that file name with exact path, which one we need to open. So this will open for us. And now what we need to do? We assign one more variable result. Then what we can do? We can use that decoder, and then we'll pass that image. Okay. And now what it will do? It will decode that whatever value stored in that image. And now after this, I will print that result. Okay, to see what it's going to result. So it's very simple, just two line of code after importing that libraries. Now go ahead and run this one. So now we can see that it's a storage that all those details data, it's storing that like, share and subscribe whatever we pass that value. Then its type, it's stored, it's all those length, top, height, widths, everything is going to give us that all those details whatever we pass while creating that QR code. So I hope you understand that and you know now how you can do that, create QR code or how you can decode it. Thank you.